Welcome guys to How to Apple. Today I'll be showing you how to make your music louder, even when the volume is at 100%. Now I'm going to open Apple Music. As you can see, the volume is already at 100%. And now here the results of this music. The music is quite loud as you can see, but I'm going to show you how to make it even louder. This could be very useful when you're at your friend's home and you want to make your music very loud so everyone can hear it. All you have to do is open settings and scroll down until you find music. Here it is. Tap on it and scroll down until you find EQ. Tap on that and this list will open. Scroll down until you find late night and press on that. That's all you have to do. And now you're going to hear that the music is much louder. As you could hear, the music is much louder. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it useful. I will hope to see you in the next video. Stay tuned for upcoming videos in this channel. Thank you guys for watching. Click up here to subscribe and click down here to watch my latest video. You can also follow me on my social media on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. Like and share this video and I will see you in the next one.